Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make a poppet cake. Bright, colourful, fun to make and delicious. Start with some melted white chocolate, split into 6 bowls. Add gel food colour to each. You only need a dash. And they'll look something like this. Pop those into piping bags and pipe on each colour to 1 row of a circular poppet. Refrigerate till the chocolate is set. Meanwhile, flour a work surface and roll out some coloured fondant. We're starting with red, then orange, yellow, blue, green and purple. Taking one colour, we're going to slice it into rectangular strips. Repeat the same thing with each colour. Now get a vanilla sponge cake and slice the top off. Spoon on some sugar syrup and pipe on chocolate ganache. Layering it up in the same way with more sugar syrup and more chocolate ganache. Let's add another layer of cake and do the same. Thick chocolate ganache going on this time on the top and all around the sides. Now remove the chocolate from the poppet mould. And place on top of your cake. Brilliant! Next come the fondant strips, alternating the colours. And look at that! What a beautiful sight to behold! Poppet cake! Enjoy!